Here we're featuring a Diamond C
Look at that pintle there.
LPX extra wide package.
He's
This
going to
unit
feel
is
that
in
trailer, I
26
tell you
feet
that.
with stand-up ramps. Also has hydraulics in the front, solar charging, HD tongue box. We did it in a mocha metallic, which is beautiful. The deck has been treated, looks fantastic, and this is a monster of a trailer with knee ramps. Stand-up knees, so you get the benefit of the full deck length, and just a beautiful trailer all around. You can throw anything you want at it, and adjustable GVWR up to
Beauty and the Beast. Thank you, brother.
Diamond C trailers, Central trailers. Feel free to reach out to us, no pressure sales. Just talk to you like normal people and help you out. Thank you. Good trailers aren't cheap, and cheap trailers aren't good.